Welcome home. You guys are here on the Carl and Jinger family channel. We are playing Hello Neighbor, last to leave, but it's gonna be awesome. Last to leave Hello Neighbor edition, because who is going to be the neighbor is going to change depending on who gets caught. So here are the rules of the game. Every player has their own Hello Neighbor costume or shirt. If you get caught, then you put on the gloves and the noise canceling headset, and then you can't find an item. There's 5 items and 5 members of the family. You have to collect one and get out of the house in order to win and survive the game and to be the last to leave. Or every player has their own item that they get to hide in the game and they can't find their own item and get out. So everybody hides an item and you have to find somebody else's to escape. Don't get caught or you're the neighbor. All right, you guys ready?
Yeah!
I'll go ahead and start because it's the first time. You guys ready?
Yeah!
Let's do it.
All right, you guys, it's time for me to hide my item. I know exactly where I'm gonna put it. And we're gonna go downstairs. I don't think anybody's down here yet, so it's the perfect time.
I have to figure out a good spot to hide my item, but I think I'm gonna hide it down in the basement because I think that's a better spot.
We're going to hide my item. I have the crowbar right up. So it's not impossible to get, so if you see, you can just go like that. So now I'm ready. I gotta go hide somewhere.
Okay guys, it's time to hide my item. I have this gold bar here. I'm gonna put it right up here in the sand bowl. They're not even gonna find it.
Because Carl is the neighbor first, he's actually not gonna be hiding an item. There's only 4 items that are gonna be hidden because someone's gonna be the neighbor. Ah, there's Gage.
No! Dang it, I didn't know.
Don't watch where I put my stuff, Gage.
I won't.
Okay, I'm gonna put it here.
I have a smaller item, so mine's gonna be a little bit easier to hide. Maybe if I hide it in the back corner. Okay, item is in the back corner of this bed.
Kyle. What? I have an idea. Hide under this box. Hide under the box? Hide in it? Okay.
Are you hiding right now?
Yeah, I'm hiding, right?
Okay, yeah, hide. Okay, everybody's hiding. Huh, I wonder what's in there.
That's a great spot, Kyle.
Okay, now I gotta hide.
I'm hiding in here.
Okay, I'm hiding in here too.
Oh my gosh, you guys, we started before I realized.
Okay, we gotta look for something. I have no idea what's hidden up here. I have no idea.
Don't find your own item.
I know, my item's downstairs. We have to hurry. We have to hurry. Where did Kyle put his item?
I'm not telling you.
Where did Kyle put his item? You guys, oh, the gold bar. The gold bar. You guys, I got the gold bar. Yeah! Does this mean I leave? Okay, Kyle, I got the gold bar!
Cool.
No! You guys, I got the gold bar. Yes, I am safe!
No! Oh, I'm the neighbor! No! Oh, no! Yeah, that's okay. I've been the neighbor before, so bye!
Now I gotta find a hiding spot. Luke's the neighbor now.
You guys, I can't believe I got out with the gold bar so quickly. Holy smokes, I always feel like I get stuck inside during this game. I can't believe I got so lucky this time. I have no idea where everybody is. No one else has come outside. I haven't seen anybody. And I don't even know who the neighbor is at this point.
Okay, we gotta find. I don't know where things are hidden. Oh, he's coming upstairs.
Look, there's Gage. Hey! Gage is afraid that I'm gonna give him away.
No! No, I'm the neighbor! Gosh dang it! I had no chance! That was a terrible hiding spot.
Is Gage the neighbor now? Okay, I gotta find an item.
I need an item. Just wake the neighbors. He's upstairs! He's upstairs! It's not in there, Dad!
You looked in here?
Yep. Oh, he's down here. No! I got caught! I have to be the neighbor.
Kyle just got caught. Oh no, now Kyle's the neighbor. He knows where I'm at. I better move.
Where is he? I found the bag of money. Hi.
Where's the
I
gold bar?
found the bag of money.
Where's the gold bar?
It was taken.
It was taken? What else is there? The crowbar?
I found a bag of money. Who found the bag of money? Oh yeah!
I did not think anybody was gonna find that bag of money. I hid that so low.
Yes, you blended in just with the basket. Good job.
Good job to you. You're second place, man.
Here he comes. Oh no. He's gonna come right in here and catch me. I just got caught by the neighbor! Oh, oh, no! Oh, there you go.
Oh, I better go hide. The funny thing is, I got the item that Luke hid, and he got the item that I hid.
And what's awesome is they both have value. They're both gold.
Ooh. Gage and Kyle and Carl are all inside. We don't even know who the neighbor is.
We're just like the best at last to leave Hello Neighbor's house.
I know, we are the first to leave.
So it's gold bar and the money bag have been taken so far.
I got caught.
You got caught?
You better hurry up.
Oh no!
Find your stuff.
Where's the dang crowbar?
Oh, I thought you were Dad.
Where's the crowbar?
I'm not telling you.
Gosh dang it.
Stairs. Run up the stairs. Run up the stairs. Run up. Gage, where did you hide your item? Gage, is your item hid downstairs?
I don't know. Is it Kyle?
He's right there. He's right there.
Ah, no! Ah, no! That scared me really bad. Oh no! Ah!
That's time to go. That's time to go.
Oh no! Dang it! Ah!
Wait, Gage, what did you hide? The egg?
Yes.
Okay. Oh wait, he's gonna be the neighbor, so I gotta hide somewhere. I know. We have my crowbar, my egg, and Gage's egg. Guys, give this video a big thumbs up to give us good luck. I don't want to be the neighbor. Okay, I'm looking for an egg. A golden egg. Golden egg. Where's the golden egg? Yes! I'm coming home, baby! Yes!
Yeah! That was crazy, Kyle. I can't believe you got out before. Gage, high five!
I know.
And Dad.
Dad's the only one left. He just has to find your item to get
Yeah.
out.
I gotta make a move for it. Everywhere. What are the items that are left? What are the items that are left?
One crowbar!
The crowbar?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Could be anywhere. You guys, look. Crowbar. I got it.
Yeah! Okay! We did it! Alright, we got the crowbar!
That means Gage is the last to leave, and he was the final neighbor. Carl, how was it playing the game? Was
It was
that
fun.
fun?
It was crazy, changing back and forth, trying to figure out who was who and like find the items. It was really
It was
fun.
really cool, right? All right, let's go inside.
Oh man, who found the first item? Who's the first one out?
Mom, me, I found the bar.
The gold bar. Where was that?
It was in the little Zen bowl over on top of the piano.
Oh
there.
man, on the Zen meditation bowl. That's cool. And then where?
Got his. Yeah, I was placed second, and mine was in the laundry room.
That was crazy. I can't believe how long it took.
And then I got the golden egg, which was in the homeschool by the bed.
Oh, okay. And then right at the very end, I found where you hid the crowbar
On
right
the
there
top shelf.
in the hallway on the shelf there. And poor Gage, he was the last to leave.
Oh no!
Oh no! So
The
you
only
guys,
thing that he got was being the neighbor.
Yes, you did.
totally. You guys make sure to take the poll up above. Let us know who you thought made the best neighbor. Ginger, you didn't even get to be the neighbor in this
I was
game.
too fast.
You were too fast. You guys, if you like this video, click anywhere on the screen. You're gonna love the other videos. We picked them just for you. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications, and we'll see you guys next time.
Bye!
That was a really fun way of playing it.
That was
Yeah.
really fun,
Everybody
yeah.
gets a turn. It's like fair. It's cool.